Jayne from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. The bear's paw block. You will need 4 5 3/4 by 2 inch rectangles and 4 2 1/4 inch squares and 8 3 1/4 inch squares in background fabric. You will need 4 4 inch squares in the paw fabric and 8 3 1/4 inch squares in the claw fabric. These can be in the same fabrics or different, as in this case. You will also need 1 2 inch square for the centre. Making the half square triangles, these are the claws on the bear's paw. Using the 3 1/4 inch squares in background fabric, mark a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabric. And repeat this for all 8 squares. Pin to the other 3 1/4 inch squares the paw fabric right sides together, sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line, and then cut along the drawn line, trimming the half square triangles. Place the 45-degree line on the stitch line. Line the left and bottom edge along a measurement larger than 2 1/4 inches. Trim along the right and top sides of the unit. Turn the unit round. Place the 45-degree line on the stitch line. Line the left and bottom edges up exactly on 2 1/4 inches. Trim along the right and top sides of the unit. And repeat this for all 16 half square triangles. Lay your pieces in the block layout. Pair up the half square triangles as shown. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press half of the seams to the left and half of the seams to the right. Return the units to the block layout. Pin top and bottom half square triangles to the large squares. Sew and press seams towards the large squares. Pin the corner squares to the other half square triangle pairs. Sew and press towards the corner squares. Pin the side units onto the large squares, matching the seams. Sew and press the seams towards the large squares. Sew together in columns. Press the centre column seams towards the small centre square and press the outer column seams towards the larger squares. Join the centre column to both sides. Press to finish. Congratulations, you have made the bear's paw block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.